Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix NBA 2k25 Myteam app not working. Let's begin. So once you have the app on your phone, what you need to do is you need to go to your Play Store or your App Store, and you need to make sure that you have the latest updates of the application. Because there are times where your app is outdated and it doesn't work with the current servers, which causes it to crash and not open. So you need to make sure that you update your app. There are days where your mobile device does not automatically update your apps for you, so sometimes you just have to check. And if it is up to date and it's still not working, then what I would recommend is to go to your settings and then look for the application within the app section. And then what you need to do is you need to clear the cache. After clearing the cache, check if the application works. If it still does not work, what you need to do is you need to clear the data and then go back to the app and log in with your details. And lastly, what I would recommend is to simply restart your device. Now, a lot of people overlook this simple solution because they think it will not work, but there are cases where just simply restarting your device will make most applications or other games work. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.